Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEP. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Hit the subscribe button and share the link of the channel to someone out there, okay, that needs to what? Improve his or math skills. So we have question on the board on statistics, on range. The question says we should find the range of values of x, okay, for which this is less than what? 4. So now I can observe, okay, we have the denominators here. So we can also have a denominator here. We can call this 4 over what? 1. Now, the basic thing is you want to remove these denominators. So we are going to use the LCM method. So the LCM, okay, of what? 4, 3, and what? 1 is. So I want to multiply through by the LCM. So let's quickly get the LCM of 4, 3, and 1. So 2 is going to go into 4 is 2 times. Okay, we'll still have 3 and 1. 2 is going to go into 2, which is 1. We have 3 and 1. And 3 will finally go, we have 1, 1, and 1. So our LCM is going to be, we have 2 times 2 times 3, which is what? 4 times what? 3. 4 times 3 is what? 12. So our LCM is what? 12. Now that we've been able to get our LCM as the first step, we are going to use our LCM to multiply what? This, and this. Okay, so let's do that. So 12 is going to multiply all this in brackets, so x plus 2 divided by 4 minus 12 is going to multiply all this, so 12 into what? 2x minus 3 divided by what? 3. So we have our less than. So and 12 is going to multiply what? 4. Okay. Now some things can cancel out. 4 into this is 1, 4 into this is 3. So we have 3 multiply in bracket x plus 2. Okay. 3 cancel itself is 1. 3 into 12 is 4. So we have minus 4 is going to multiply what? 2x minus 3. We have our less than what? 12 times 4 is going to give us what? 48, because 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 1 is what? 4. Okay, now that we have this expression, okay, we can now what? Open brackets, okay, which is our next step, and simplify further. So let's open the brackets. Now 3 is going to multiply this and this. So let's see what that gives us. So 3 times x is going to give us what? 3x. And 3 times plus 2 is going to give us what? Plus 6. All right. Now we are also going to do the same with the second bracket. So minus 4 is going to times this and this. Okay. So minus 4 times 2x is going to give us what? Minus what? 4 times 2 is what? 8x. Okay. Minus 4 times minus 3. Minus times minus is what? Plus. And 4 times 3 is what? 12. So we have less than what? 48. Okay, now that we have this, we are going to what? Regroup. Okay. Now when I say regroup, we want to what? Collect like terms. All right. So I can see that we have 3x here, and we are going to bring minus 8x close to that. So we have plus what? 6 and plus what? 12 is less than what? 48. Okay. 3x minus 8x is going to give us what? We have minus what? 5 what? X. Okay. Since 3x is smaller than what? 8x. Okay. We are using a smaller number to subtract a bigger number, so our answer is going to be minus. So we have minus 5x. So plus, now 6 plus 12 is going to give us what? 18, which is less than what? 48. Now, at this point, we have to remove this by what? We are going to subtract this from both sides. Since we have plus, we are going to subtract. So we have minus 5x. So plus 18 minus 18 is less than what? 48 minus 18. Okay. Now that we have this, now plus 18 minus 18 is 0. So we have 5x minus 5x plus what? 0 is less than. Now 48 minus 18 is going to give us what? Now 8 minus 8 is what? 0. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So we have 30, right? So our minus 5x plus 0 is also what? Now our minus 5x plus 0 is to minus what? 5x, which is what? Less than what? 30. Now at this point, we are going to divide both sides by what? Minus 5, which is the coefficient of what? X. So if we do that, we are going to what? Since we are dividing with a negative, okay, this is going to change, all right? So anytime, you are dealing with inequalities and you're dividing with what? A negative, okay? Now, since this is less than, it's going to change to what? Greater than, all right? So you want to what? Take note of that. So we have, okay, minus 5 also dividing 30. So minus will cancel out the minus, 5 will cancel out 5 is 1, 1. So we are left with what? X, okay, which is what? Greater than. Now, we are plus, okay, so plus divide minus here is going to give us minus. So 5 divided 30 is 6. So we have X is greater than what? Minus 6. So that gives us the solution, to this one problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and share this video to someone out there. Remember, sharing is caring. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.